We look forward to the elevating the homeowners' experience and their connection with their families and the outdoors under the elements. The luxury happens when you have other accessories. You know, things that make you want to go spend time outside. Things that you want to invite your friends, your families, the groups you're involved with. That's what luxury means. Having those means to gather those things. That could be an outdoor kitchen, fire pits, fireplaces, being able to extend your living spaces and having something to do when the kids go to sleep. And if there's no kids involved, you want to just be able to wind down in the sunset. It helps you connect. It gives you something to do, something to talk over with your friends.